Welcome back. Your mattress is more than what meets the eye. Learning more about what's inside might help you get the best sleep you've ever had. Here to help us pull back the bedding, Yuval Michler, owner of Texas Mattress Makers. We like to call him the mattress doctor. And I see you brought some visual aids today, Yuval. Great to see you.
It's always nice to see you. I love being with you. You're all so peppy and energetic. You make me feel good.
Listen, I love coming out to Texas Mattress Makers. Viewers of the show know, you guys know all my mattresses are from you, but I love looking at the factory because we really get an inside look at what goes into a mattress. Talk to us about the two main components.
The two main components, the first is your support system. Whether it's made out of a spring, whether it's made out of foam, it doesn't really matter, but you need to have the proper support.
Okay, and that's underneath?
That's underneath. So as you can see there, it's showing you pocketed coils.
Okay.
The second components are your comfort layer. Right? Absolutely nothing straight.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that I love you. Okay, pay attention, I'm speaking.
I'm following along.
Okay, there's nothing straight about anyone's body. So the component of your comfort layer has to accommodate the curvature that you have in your body, has to accommodate the weight displacement that you have when you're laying down, okay? Basically sinkage.
Yeah.
And again, it depends on how you sleep. So I brought one example here today. This is a specialized coil. Most coils are made like a cylinder. If you put enough pressure on them, you're going to hit steel on steel, and it's going to stop and create a pressure point.
Okay.
This is made like a barrel. So when you lay on it, it collapses, okay? But the beauty part about this, it's very supportive, it's very supple, and it's very airy. So it allows air to flow through it. So folks that are sleeping hot,
right,
this is a very good choice if it fits your body and comfort, because as you and I have spoken a million times, you have to buy a bed that fits your body and your comfort level. And comfort level is so personal that you can't even describe it. You have to feel it.
Exactly.
Right?
And no one can feel it for you. I mean, you have to experience it yourself. Hey, can we, for like just a brief time, talk about what you just mentioned, people who sleep hot? Because here in Houston, I feel like, especially this time of year, as the temperatures start getting warmer, a lot of people sleep hot. And summertime is when they sleep the worst, right?
Right.
This whole mattress in a box movement where you click on Instagram and you buy a mattress in a box and it comes home to your house and it unfolds, if you're a hot sleeper, that's the worst thing you can do.
Correct.
Why is that?
The product that's usually in those beds is called viscoelastic.
Just a big block of foam.
Correct. But it's a big block of foam with something on top of it that allows you the cushiness, that softness, all right? That is an excellent product, by the way, but it is so dense that it retains your heat. Within 3 hours, a quarter of an inch of that product already has your body temperature in it, about 80 degrees. So there's a lot of things people need to understand, that when you buy a mattress in a box, right, there's a few things you shouldn't do. One, buy a mattress that you don't know how it feels. Never buy a mattress if you don't know how it feels.
I just don't understand that. Yeah, why would someone buy some? I mean, you wouldn't, anyway, you've heard me talk about this, but you wouldn't buy a one-size-fits-all shoe because that doesn't fit everybody.
Exactly. It's convenience. So we, at Texas Mattress Makers, right, will offer, and we do offer, you to buy things online. But what we're doing, and we've taken a lot of time and effort, is to try to have people understand each product and what it's for and what it's made. If you wanted to buy a bed that you wanted to put in your spare bedroom, okay, it's not something that it's not the same thing that if you told me, Yuval, I need a bed every night.
Sleep on every night, yeah.
Right, for a child, so on and so forth. So we try to be very particular about what the products are in the bed and ask you questions. Do you sleep warm? Then you shouldn't buy this, you should buy this.
And you can only get that experience when you go into the showroom, even though, again, I know if you go to your website, texasmattressmakers.com, people can buy online. Let's quickly talk about where your components are sourced from. They come from local sources, right? Most of the components come from Texas, but it's all made in the USA, correct? Best of the best.
That's correct. Everything that I do is made in the United States. Everything that I can buy in Texas, I will buy in Texas. Everything that we don't use, we recycle. Lumber, steel, plastic, cardboard. The only thing I put in the garbage is dust, sincerely.
That is awesome.
Okay? I'm very conscious of the green, but not just talking about it, doing it. And everything we do is American.
And the factory is right there. Guys, seriously, go in because it's an experience. Yuval or his staff members will size you up. They'll have you get on a bunch of different beds. If you're a back sleeper, a stomach sleeper, a side sleeper, it doesn't matter. You will find something that works for you.
And look at his face. Did you see how excited he was when he said that? He felt like a little boy. He came to the factory. He jumped on mattresses. He just had a wonderful time. And we will, truthfully, correct? Okay? You are going to have a good time.
Yeah.
We're going to treat you with respect. We're not going to sell you. We're going to educate you, and we're going to make you feel comfortable, and we're going to make you understand the things that you actually do at home in your bed and what is the cause root of your discomfort.
Listen, you guys are the master, and it's easy for me to talk about you because I am such a huge fan. Thank you so much for making time to stop by. And next time, we got to talk about all your great work in the community because you do a ton of that as well. And if you would all like more information on Yuval, the mattress doctor here at Texas Mattress Makers, you can call 713-341-6252 or visit them online at texasmattressmakers.com. Yuval, thanks again. Great to see you.
My pleasure.
Still ahead on Houston Life, the hottest